Drop-down lists are a very powerful way to present your data in reports because you avoid unwanted errors because of that. So let us take one example. Here I want to create a drop-down list to represent all the categories. Categories are displayed in the sales data, but if you notice, these are the repeated categories. So I have created a unique list of these categories using the unique function or remove duplicates. Any of the method that suits you, you can use that method to create this unique list. So this list we are going to use as the source for the drop-down. So I am going to the report, and this is the cell where we want to display the drop-down list of category. We can go to data validation. It will be a list, and we need to give the source here. Source can be typed separating by a comma also, but sometimes there are chances of spelling errors. So that is why it is better to take it from the source data. So I am taking it from the source data. These are the values. Click OK. And now you will notice in the selected cell, there is a drop down appearing, and you can select any category from here. So if I select accessories, the data should come of accessories. But right now, this is not showing me because with respect to the accessories, product should also change. Now, how to create a dependent drop down? Because whenever I'm changing the category, the product should have changed automatically to the products related to accessories. So we are going to check how a dependent drop-down list can be created. To create a drop-down list, you need to create this unique list of category as well as product together, which I have created in the products sheet. So for a selected category, the list of products should appear in the drop-down list. To create that dependent drop-down list, let us first create the name range for each product list. So for this, I have already written the category names. So I'm selecting the first one, defining the name from the formula tab, and accessories, which refers to the range, this one. Click OK. One range is created. Let us create another one for bikes. This is the list. Let's create the third one. The range is, so the three categories and their subcategories are created. So I am going to my report, selecting the specific cell. Let us go to data validation, which is in the data tab. Allow list. And the source this time will be function indirect. The indirect function, when you give a cell reference in this, it refers to the range which is referring to this particular cell. So that is why we created the name ranges. Accessories is a name range which is referring to another list of values. So this indirect function is going to fetch that list of values. So we are closing the bracket here. And let's see the list which is created. This time, if you notice, accessories is selected. So this is the drop-down list. We can select any value, and that's how the revenue will be created. So if you change this value, then in that case, you can select respective product in the category, and that's how the sum will be updated. Similarly, you could have written a countifs function for this. Countifs, the range will be in the sales data, first category. Range can be selected, comma, where is the criteria for this? This is the criteria for category, comma, what is the second condition? Second condition is products, comma, we write, this is the cell for the criteria, close bracket, enter. So that's how you can write the formula using the drop-down list which are created. Hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.